In this tutorial, we're going to look at mathematical operators. For this, I'm just going to use the interactive window because I can type straight in here. I could do this. Six plus 5 is 11. It's quite simple to see that the plus just adds values together. I could go 6 plus 6 plus 3, add more values together. The multiplication works in exactly the same way. 10 minus 6 is 4. Computer's very happy to work this out. The star means multiply. 6 sixes is 36. And the forward slash is divide. 12 divided by 4 should equal 3. And it does. However, if I had 13 divided by 3, the answer is a float or a decimal number, as you may prefer to call it. It's a float data type. It's got 4.333 reoccurring. If I wanted to just have a whole number, the answer is a whole number, I need to use something called special division that will be very new to you, and that's double divide symbols. It means the answer will be an integer data type. If I prove that to you over here, 13 double divide 3, the answer is now just 4. So this is integer division, this is float division. The answer will be a float or the answer will be an integer.